Hi everybody, it's Christina with Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner, and we've been talking about products that a maker's program can make, and so I just wanted to show you this one here. My sister has a car, and on her gas cap it's really hard for her to get the gas cap off, so she contacted the Illinois Assistive Technology Program, and they have a maker's program, and they talked to her and asked her about her car, and they made this handle, I guess, to take it off. So we're going to try it out. And you can see you're going to put the handle part on the gas cap like this, and then twist. Then, oh, look at that, it popped right off. And then just go ahead and put in the gasoline. This way. There it is, awesome. And then pull it off. And pick that up. That's pretty cool. That worked pretty well. My sister said that she worked with the Makers program through a couple of different iterations of this gas cap handle, and this is the one they landed on, and man, it really seemed to work pretty good as far as taking it off and putting it back on. So if you know of a Makers program, reach out to them if you have a situation where you might need them to work with you to make something adaptable for you.